Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? Happy Wednesday. Second day on the 50K accounts right now. Took 2 trades. We're going to go and recap those in this video. These were done on my live stream, which happens every morning on my main channel, Trades by Matt. So come hang out over there. Let's go and dive into it. All right. I'm late. Markets are open. They've been open. News on the session. Home sales at 9 o'clock. FOMC rate statement and conference today. It's the big one at 1 and 1:30. This is when it matters. I got a big block, 200 block at 18 currently. We are below the overnight highs, inside yesterday's value area. We bounced off yesterday's close and the overnight lows off the open. Get through these blocks at 520. Pop to 540 for yesterday's value area high. Would not be shocked to see us go sideways, though, for FOMC later this afternoon. Would not be shocked. We'll see. $100 says he opens a good afternoon. Bro, did you see that video of the guy that bet, however, 100 grand on that? 100 grand on Powell opening with good afternoon.
Last thing you buy 5 $20 t-shirts and they last.
Good afternoon. My colleagues and I remain squarely focused on achieving our dual mandate goals of vaccine and stable prices.
Isn't that great? Have y'all seen the bet anything dudes? It's like 2 friends on Instagram that basically will like bet on anything. Like the one video I saw of them was like the guy was like over under on how many holes your Chick-fil-A fry has, the first fry you pull out, and it was like 13.5 or something was like the line. And he pulls out Chick-fil-A fry, they count the holes, and someone gives them $100 basically. Handshake bets, yeah, that sounds right. Anyways, that seems like something they would do is the good afternoon pal. Yeah, these dudes. Oh, it literally was. It was just like front and center.
Fry. Over under 13.5 holes in that.
I got over. Hey.
Shake on it. If the French fry has no back on it, is bet void or is that an under?
Redo.
It's bet void.
Your
timer doesn't start until first step.
Just pick one. Pick one. Pick one. Don't look.
That's the one.
Okay.
Shit. Oh, it's gonna be an incredible line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count. That's
No.
connection. That's connection.
That's connection. Maybe. Just keep going.
Give it a
Just keep going.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 over. Let's go.
What about behind your finger?
Nothing.
Nothing.
No,
Nothing.
over.
Wow.
I mean,
What a line.
like, people will always say it's staged. People will say we cheated. I don't know what else we can do. What a line, cousin.
So good. Over under tomorrow is 8:29. He gets on stream. We need a side bet, a Kalshi market for, or a poly market for time stream starts. All right. 5 minute Toji kind of, I mean, retest of the -1 standard deviation is not a bad look. 50% retrace of the wick as well. And give it 6 points back up into VWAP, assuming it flushes and gets filled out. I don't hate it. VWAP has been the play. We got point of control currently at 83, 85, whatever that is. Top of the hour. I just got filled in. Long. For an instant slap, instant stop out maybe. We'll see. Instant stop out. Down 7 points. Maybe we kick back up. I'm not really willing. Well, okay, look. Should I have played the meme line, chat? Should I have thought about this beforehand? It's very possible. Very possible. Look how freaking clean that is, huh? This is what I wanted to see. That's exactly what I wanted to see. I wanted to see that push up. I just missed it. I had my stop too tight. Stop too tight. That would be a full exit, I believe. 76 to... Oh, no, not quite. 76 to 84. The accounts are up $100 or something. Accounts are up $164 right now. I did take one more trade after the stream yesterday. I took an IBL short, which I posted in Discord. So it was like $300 total basically on the accounts. Now I'm down 145. Would have been a break even? Yeah, it would have been a break even because I would have moved my stop up at 5 points and then break evened. Loser either, well, not necessarily loser either way, but not a winner either way. Down to the 1.5 standard deviation. Delta's not really doing much here. It's not really, it's not a heavy sell-off by any means. It's kind of that like controlled slappiness. Controlled slappiness, we'll call it that. Nothing is super, super aggressive. I mean, I'm at the end of the day, I would like to see us rotate into yesterday's close purely for my stop out to, you know, make me feel better. At the end of the day though, sub 10 points, I'm happy with. It's a cheap trade in my book. All right, nice push back up into VWAP. Not shocking at all to me. That's why I got long to begin with. We just never really had aggressive selling on that little grind to the downside. Buyers ended up pushing out. We're back up into VWAP. There's nothing for me to do at VWAP, but I'm absolutely still looking for trades. But I'm not interested in this spot. All right, we're trying to break IBL here, or IBH here, excuse me. We've got blocks up above. Buyers are not currently pushing through. We'll see if they do it right now. As of right now, it looks like a sweep and come back into the range sort of situation, which I am down to play. I am down to play that if it happens. Assuming we don't have a massive surge of buyers. Once we kick this block, we'll definitely see Delta increase, most likely, but because there's going to be market buyers to take out that block, but I imagine that we come back into the range. Okay, there's one of the blocks. 500 now at 29. It's still sitting. Oh, it just got pulled. I'd say it's still sitting there, but it just got pulled. Maybe gone up to 60. No, that's only 200 up there. Okay, a little bit of delta divergence happening here. A little bit of buyers, but nothing crazy. I want to see how we respond here. I really want to get short, but I'm hesitant to get short right away. I think the retest of... Oh, it's back. 700 now at 32. Yeah, the failed attempt of IBH. I mean, that was worth 10 points at least. That's a scary trade to take. It's scary. It like works out, but in the moment with the momentum and everything, it's terrifying to take. So I'm not taking that. It's nice to see it play, but it's just not worth it. I'm gonna try a short if I can get filled at IBL or IBH. Excuse me, IBH. It's top of the daily range or top of the range so far today. We obviously had one little fake out above it. I'm fine with giving it close to 10 points of movement. We don't really have that much buying pressure going on right here. It's the magical 20s. It's the overnight highs that we rejected on the overnight session, obviously. Looking for us to kick back in. It's FOMC as well, so it's hard for me to anticipate like big trendy move on FOMC. So worth a shot, in my opinion, on the current, everything that I just currently said. Want to keep it tight. Because like the last, 30 minutes we have been grindy to the upside. There is that to note. But overall, we're still inside the range. And I was just straight up might not get filled either. All right. I just miss it. I don't get filled there. That's okay. All right, a short on a retest of the prior open, but I think it's probably going to move without me. This is that weird type of movement that just like, it just kind of does it without a whole lot of opportunity unless you're catching the first move into it. Not a whole lot of retesting on this. Like, look, I mean, the move's basically done. There's not really hardly any retesting into it. It's just you're either catching the initial move into the level, which is kind of sketchy to me. I just don't really like doing that. I like to catch a retest way more. But this is like you're catching the first move in or you're missing it because the range is too tight. We're dealing with too tight of a range. It's 10 points or less, and there's not a lot of opportunity to get fed off that. Fairly, we got FOMC this afternoon, so fairly boring session this morning. FOMC this afternoon at 1 o'clock and press conference at 1:30. I would love to find something else to take here if we can like expand out of IB. Either like expand and close up, retest for a long, or expand and wick up and re-close back inside initial balance and get short. Either option there is fine with me. I just want us to get out of like the 20s here. All right, decent close there. Honestly, a decent close. Wick test at IBL or IBH, excuse me. I'm so used to saying IBL recently. Wick test at IBH. I don't know if I've ever seen a wick test line up with that initial balance. Goes to show how slow the markets are moving. I mean, we are 10 points. We're 10 points right now off of initial balance. 10 points. And it's been 5 minutes. 5 minutes and 10 points of movement. That's tough, man. I am filled long. I want a very quick reaction here. Got some sellers, like rotating into 20 seems to be definitely on the table. I don't really want to hold it into that. True wick test. There's 20. 1.5 is where we've been bouncing recently. I'm going to get stopped out here, I think. Let it play out for a second, but I think I get stopped out. Yep, stopped out. Minus 385. That takes the account slightly red right now. I'm down $80 in these accounts after 2 days. So up 313 to down 80. We'll see what the rest of the day brings, if anything. It's FOMC. I'm not trying to force it too hard. But it didn't work. So on to the next. Don't really know if I'm going to find anything else or try anything else. It's a big TBD. But good luck, everybody. Be smart, be patient. Survive FOMC this afternoon. Don't do anything stupid. And we'll see you tomorrow for some more trading. Have a great rest of your day. And peace, everybody.